Let me stand beside that one person.
I'm here having visited the police station in Florida and having received a report from the provincial commissioner and the investigating team. I've just visited the two families to express my condolences. Yesterday the National Commissioner visited. Support for the family and making the funeral arrangements and for all the consequences that follow a murder of a police officer are in the responsibility of the provincial commissioner, and he's assured me that all of that is being taken, and the family, all of that is being taken care of. Yesterday I was also informed by the National Commissioner that another officer in Mpumalanga was also slain. This is just another reminder of the difficult and dangerous work that the South African Police Service and its members do on behalf of our people, and the dangerous and vicious nature of the criminals out there who are willing to kill without mercy. I am confident that in this particular case, the suspects and the police are already making progress, that the suspects will be apprehended and that they will face justice.